Hi, good morning. Welcome to Nifty Profits YouTube channel. I am pleased to share with you top stock news for the trading day 13th December 2022, Wednesday. As you all know, because of the lower inflation rate in US, the US markets have rallied and Singapore Nifty is showing that the market will open gap up by about 100 points. As I read these news, our market has just opened. Of course, it's only pre-open trade, and it is showing that there will be a bullish bias in the opening. Okay, let me get into the top stock news in the right earnest. First, TVS Motor Company. The company is planning to launch Euro 5 compliant two-wheelers in Turkey. The company will further strengthen its presence in Turkey with products like TVS Jupiter, TVS NTO RQ Race Edition, TVS Rider, and TVS Apache RTR 204 volt, which will be Euro 5 compliant. This is positive for TVS Motors because introduction of new products in a new market will help them to increase their sales. So the exports and forex revenues will increase for TVS Motors. Like a butterfly effect, if TVS Motors improves its forex earnings, it is good for US dollar INR as well. Axis Bank, the private sector lender, has received board approval for allotment of 12,000 non-convertible Basel III compliant Tier 2 bonds series 30 of the face value of rupees 1 crore each. The total fundraising would be rupees 12,000 crore at a coupon rate of 7.88% per annum, payable annually on a private placement basis. So this will help Axis Bank to comply with the Basel III norms, which means that they will have capital adequacy and risk measurement compliance improved. And the funds that are coming in at 7.88%, if they are able to deploy them at a profitable rate, it will be a positive for Axis Bank. Then Ultratech Cement. Cement sector is in focus in the recent times with the economy revival. The cement major has commissioned 1.9 MTPA metric tons per annum greenfield clinker-backed grinding capacity at Pali Cement Works, Rajasthan. The company, along with its subsidiary, now has 16.25 million metric ton per annum. 6.25 million tons per annum, cement capacity in Rajasthan over 5 separate plant locations, and its total cement manufacturing capacity in India stands at 121.35 MTPA. Of course, Ultratech is a very large cement manufacturer. So if a new cement capacity is commenced, it means they will be able to cater to higher demands. Positive for the stock. Sagar Cements. The board of directors on December 21 will consider a draft scheme of amalgamation for the proposed merger of its wholly owned subsidiary Jaipur Cement with itself. This is just operational efficiency may improve because in any case, they will be consolidating the revenues of the subsidiary in their financials. So I will say it is a neutral, just information for the stock market investors. Heads Up Ventures. The company has entered into a contract with Reliance Retail for sale of the products, these are namely fashion apparels, accessories, bags, footwear, etc., under the brand name HUP and its sub-brands on the e-commerce platforms of Reliance Retail. PTC India. Mohammed Afzal has been appointed as nominee director of Ministry of Power, Government of India, on the board of PTC India with effect from December 12. Afzal is a joint secretary, transmission in Ministry of Power. This is just a information of changing the management or additional recruitment of a director of a government nominee, which is a normal regular news. Okay. IIFL Wealth Management. General Atlantic Singapore Fund Pte Limited has sold 564 crore stake in the company via open market transactions. The fund offloaded 31.15 lakh shares in IIFL Wealth at an average price of 1,810.09 per share. However, Capital Income Builder bought 30.43 lakhs in the company, 30.43 lakh shares in the company at an average price of 1,810 per share. So one large entity has sold, another large entity has bought. So it is price neutral in my opinion. Adani Transmission, Adani Group is in news all the time. When Gautam Adani is going to become the world's richest person is something which I am looking forward to see. Adani Transmission, the company has incorporated its wholly owned subsidiary, Adani Cooling Solutions. The new arm will carry on district cooling system business. So it's a new business Adani Transmission is entering into. We'll have to see. It's just an incorporated entity. How the business starts and where it leads, we'll have to go and see, and how much revenue accrues, we'll only know in the future. But it's a step in further diversifying the business. Bayer Crop Science, the company temporarily discontinued operations at crop protection formulations plant at Himmatnagar in Gujarat with effect from December 12. This is after the directions from the Gujarat Pollution Control Board. So it means for some time their production will be disrupted from one plant at least. So we need to know how much they produce from this unit and all to make a judgment. But this will definitely disturb their revenues, and to some extent it may impact their yearly financials or quarterly financials. Piramal Enterprises. The subsidiary Piramal Capital and Housing Finance acquired 100% stake in PRL Agastya for rupees 90 crore. Post acquisition, PRL Agastya will be a wholly owned subsidiary of PCHFL. Okay, I don't know how much this is going to impact. So it has acquired 100% stake in a company. So what is that company doing? How much revenue is there? Whether the revenue accretive, how much goodwill has been paid on this? It all depends on how much this will add value to Piramal Enterprises. These are the top news for the day. I hope you enjoyed listening to it. Please do subscribe to Nifty Profits YouTube channel, where I will keep doing value-added posts as much as my time permits. Wish you all the very best. Have a great trading day. Bye-bye.